Okay, you're gonna see this move in video number 5 and the basic step in Sculpt program. This is called an up tap, over tap down. Up tap, down tap. You may know it as that, up tap, down tap. Looks like this, it's an 8 count move. I'm gonna slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you take the tap over the bench here, then step back up. Come with me, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Up tap, down tap. That's what I call it. Now let's go to tempo. Here we go. Up tap, down tap. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're taking the tap over the bench. Now if you don't like up tap, down tap, you would do 3 knee repeater. Right here. 2 more. Up, and then a tap, up, tap, down, up, tap, back, up. All right. That is an up tap, over tap, down.